Hi everyone, this is Andrea Tartaglia and this is my video about how to use Edpuzzle. It's a really great tool. I used it for the first time in my class last week and the kids have been begging to know when we're going to use it again. So my first try on it, I created a video for the students to watch and answer questions along the way, but I know for this project we were asked to kind of take the student role. So what I did was I actually, instead of searching on Edpuzzle for a video, which if you click on the search bar up at the top, you'll see on the side here there are all kinds of websites where you can try to find videos, plenty to choose from. But since I was taking the student role, I actually created my own video. When you create your own video, it's really easy to upload it. If you notice right here on the right, you just click upload, very simple, and then it will be available for you to use. So when I go to my content, what I did was I created a video demonstrating how to properly divide fractions. So I'm just going to let the video play through for you. I'm going to also show you where I embedded questions. I thought this would be a great way for students to not only demonstrate their knowledge, but also let other students use what what other classmates have created to check their knowledge of the topic. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and let it play through. Also, one quick thing, I used the website EduCreations to create the video. It's another tool that I highly recommend if you're looking for a good program to use to kind of create tutorials. So here we go. Here is my project as a student demonstrating how to divide fractions using Edpuzzle.
Hi everyone, this is my video about how to properly divide fractions. So let's say we start with the fraction 3/5, and we want to take 3/5 and we want to divide it by 1/2. So I know that division can be really scary, and then when you throw fractions in, that seems to make it even worse, but I promise it's not that bad.
So if you notice the little green boxes down at the bottom when you create a video using Edpuzzle, you upload it and then throughout the video you can embed questions in for students to ask, or excuse me, for students to answer before they move on. So my question here, I'm going to go ahead and type in an answer. I'm going to not type in the correct answer, but as a teacher, you'll be able to see all of the answers that students can type in. So it'll give you a really good glimpse into who's understanding, maybe what the misconceptions are. So I'm going to type in 3/10.
If we want to divide 3/5 by 1/2,
then it'll obviously
we have to
keep
remember
playing through.
quick words. The words are keep, change, flip. What that means is we keep the first fraction the same, so that one will stay 3/5. The change means we need to change this division symbol to a multiplication symbol. We can do that because multiplication and division are inverse operations. So since they're inverse operations, that's where that third word of flip comes in. So flip means we have to take 1/2 and we have to flip it to make its reciprocal, which is 2/1. Now, instead of dividing, what we're actually going to do is multiply. And we know that multiplying fractions is really easy. All you do is you take both numerators and multiply them together. So we're going to do 3 times 2. That's going to give us 6. 5 times 1 is going to give us 5.
So since I put in 3/10 as the initial answer, hopefully as I'm watching this, I'm remembering, oh yeah, I have to change the sign and flip that second fraction, and hopefully I'll be able to realize what I did and what my mistake was for that first answer. So since we have an improper fraction here of 6/5, I'm going to try to put my answer in simplest form. Now, the reason that I'm not skipping through the video and making you listen to my very exhilarating lesson about dividing fractions is I can't. That's one of the great settings in Edpuzzle. You can set it so that students cannot skip through and they have to watch the video, which I think is a great tool.
Since this is an improper fraction, though, we always want our answers to be in simplest form. We have to take that improper fraction and convert it into a mixed number. So I have to think, how many times does 5 go into 6, or what's 6 divided by 5? 6 divided by 5 is going to be 1. And then I'm going to have 1 left over, so my 1 is going to become the numerator of my new fraction. The denominator stays the same. So if we want to divide 3/5 by 1/2, we keep the first fraction the same, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, which in this case is 2 over 1. Multiply our numerators, multiply our denominators, which would give us 6/5 in this case, and then make sure that we simplify our answer so we get 1 and 1/5.
So another option with a question is you don't have to leave an open-ended question. You can also make a multiple choice question. So here is my extra problem for students to test, make sure that they know what they're doing. So 3/4 divided by 5/8, making sure my answer is in simplest form. I'm going to go ahead and click 1 and 1/5, and it gives me feedback right away that I do have the correct answer. If you notice the other answers, you'd be able most likely to figure out what the students' misconceptions were if they chose those other answers.
I hope you learned a lot. Thanks for watching.
So if you notice that little yellow button down here, that's showing that audio clip that I added in there as well. So overall, I think Edpuzzle is a wonderful tool to use, and I hope that you enjoyed the video.